Hi up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create Facebook group. Firstly, you need to join up into your Facebook account and then click on the three dots on your right upper side. Right after that, you need to scroll down and go for all shortcuts and then select the first selection group section. Click on that, and as you can see, here are all groups that are based on your site. Now, what you need to do, just simply, as you can see on your right upper side, you have three options, and on the first option you have a plus icon. Click on that plus icon, and here you have an option to create a group on the first selection. Click on that one, and here you need to type for the name of your group. For example, this, you need to go for choosing privacy. I'll go with private, then done, and I need to go for create group. Now I need to wait for processing to the main page by getting to this group. Now you can add friends or invite members, friends which are also in your Facebook section. And if you don't want to do it right now, you can go for next on your right upper side. Then you can upload your photo. But also, if you want to do the next time, you need to go continue later on your right upper side. Go again, confirm. And that's it guys, we have created a Facebook group. Thanks for watching, don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.